Good day. This is Btcusdt. On today, I want to analyze BTC So I would like you to join me while I analyze BTC. But before we continue, please like, subscribe, share, and comment for more videos I'll be posting. Okay. On this strategy, on this analysis, I'll be using top-down analysis. In the top-down analysis, before we continue, this particular pattern I drew here is very important for every trader. It's very important for every trader. Your assignment is to go and find the name of the pattern. Okay, let's continue. From a 1 week time frame, if you look closely, we see BTC has been, it retraced from here, break this resistance up to here, retrace back, break this resistance too, up to here, it retraced back to that resistance it broke, making it a very strong support. So we should be expecting the candlestick to break above this recent high. Then, and our moving average is telling us yes, BTC is about to buy. It's still on the buy side. We should expect buy. Okay. After seeing this, what do? We move down to our 1 day time frame to see what's happening at 1 day time frame. In our 1 day time frame, if you check, there is a candlestick here that dropped to somewhere here, 107,400, and that candlestick gave us another block. Let's map it out. This is the other block here. Let's map the other block out. Hold on. Here is the other block. There's another block here. And when you check this other block, the other block has been mitigated and broken. When you check the candlestick broke the other block up to here, 117,960. Then retrace back to the same other block, giving the other block or turning the other block to our support, which is a good move. So from here, this is our 1 day time frame. This candlestick now is at a supply zone at a point of interest, but we can make entry from 1 day time frame. We reduce to smaller time frame. We go to 4 hourly to see what's happening in 4 hourly time frame. Okay, in our 4 hourly time frame, nothing has been formed, but the candlestick is likely to give us an engulfing candlestick. When this green candlestick covers this red candlestick, it engulfed it, giving us a bullish engulfing candlestick. And then we can take an entry. But that's for people that are using a higher amount of money to trade. They can make their entry from 4 hourly time frame. But for you that are using small money, small capital to trade, you reduce to 1 hour 15 minutes time frame for a clearer view of what we are doing. Then to our 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing in our 1 hour time frame? In our 1 hour time frame, we are seeing an engulfing candlestick, a bullish engulfing candlestick, this green candle covering this red candlestick, and up to here. If we shake, we should be expecting this red candlestick to drop to somewhere here, 112,500 or so. Then we can make our entry. But depending on your capital, if I'm to trade, I can take an entry from 1 hour time from here. If I don't want to take an entry from 1 hour time from here, I can go down to 15 minutes time frame. See our confirmation here in 1 hour time frame. For 1 hour time frame, we saw double bottom, which is a signal for a reversal movement, which is a signal for bullish movement. Then we also saw an engulfment. This bullish engulfing candlestick gives us more reason to buy BTC now. Then from this, let's go to our 15 minutes time frame to get a precise entry for this market. When you check this 15 minutes time frame, you see that the 15 minutes time frame has broken our moving average. Yes. Then if you check again, you see that from here the candlestick moves up to somewhere here, then break down to here. When it broke down to somewhere here, 111,942, it starts going up again. As it goes up, it broke a resistance here. Then by doing so, breaking the resistance here, we have seen our new change of character somewhere here. A new change of character has been formed here because the candlestick has broken this change of character, has broken this support, giving us a new change of character. So if I'm to make an entry, I can confidently make an entry from here, because after this change of character, what we're expecting to see is a break of structure. This candlestick is supposed to go up to break this structure, giving us higher high. Then if I'm to make an entry on this, I will make my entry here. If I like, I can wait for the entry and see something like hammer here or bullish engulfing candlestick. But if I don't want to wait, I can make my entry from here, because I'm making my entry from a smaller time frame. It will help me to manage my risk well. It helps in risk management. The amount I'm going to lose is going to be small. Then put my stop loss at 112,000. Putting this at this level, then my take profit, I'm taking it up. But my take profit, I can't decide from here because this is a rundown analysis. I need to go back to my 1 week time frame to know the exact point my take profit will be. If I check, my take profit TP1 should be somewhere here, 117,800. That's where it's supposed to be for my 1 day time frame. But if I'm too busy, maybe I don't have chance, I can take it up to 130,000, which is we are expecting BTC to reach 130,000 or 30 something, 32, 36 before we can start to think of selling BTC. Yes. So if I'm to make an analysis, if I'm to make an entry on this, this is where I'm expecting BTC to reach, and this is 1:ratio 26. Is a whole lot of money. So if I'm to make an entry on this, it will look like this. If you look like this is my entry on BTC. If you look like this is my entry on BTC. Yes, this is my entry on let's watch and see how it plays out. Let's watch and see how it plays out. This is my entry on BTC. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. This is VOFS. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. You can make this entry now and thank me later because it's going to play out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.